More Catholic churches now pushing back against the Buffalo Diocese and its plan to use money from these parishes to help pay a $150 million child sexual abuse settlement. It was just earlier this month that we told you 5 churches have sued the diocese in an effort to block these arranged payments. Now we've learned another 4 are following suit. The new parishes involved span from Niagara County to the southern tier. They all claim the diocese is asking them to turn over 80% of their unrestricted cash and investments to chip away at that costly settlement. Tonight's senior reporter Eileen Buckley turning the mic over to one voice involved in these lawsuits who explains what churches and what these churches are feeling.
They're just angry about the amount of the assessment.
Sacred Heart in Bowmansville, St. Mother Teresa of Calcutta and Depew, All Saints Parish in Lockport, and Holy Apostles Parish in Jamestown, all joining this latest lawsuit. It's an attempt to stop the diocese from receiving parish funds for the proposed $150 million bankruptcy settlement. Parishes are required to contribute 80%. The suit states it would be financially devastating and could cause irreparable harm to these parishes. Parishioners involved in this lawsuit declined to comment. So I met with Mary Persky with Save Our Buffalo Churches, who is part of the first lawsuit filed earlier this month.
We wish for the civil courts to parallel the canon law course, await for a final decision from the dicastery before any of those funds would be remitted. And the thing is, the dicastery could take another year.
The first lawsuit included 5 churches: Blessed Sacrament in the town of Tonawanda, Our Lady of Peace in Clarence, St. Bernadette in Orchard Park, St. Aloysius in Cheektowaga, and St. John the 23rd in West Seneca.
There is clearly hope, and the hard part is waiting for that hope to come through. But we're seeing it in bits and pieces already. Receiving the about 20 suspensions that we have now all alone is pretty amazing and definitely noteworthy in terms of history with canon law.
The diocese responded to this latest lawsuit saying it does not comment on pending litigation and will continue to cooperate fully with all legal processes as required. Meanwhile, Persky tells me stay tuned for more because a third group of parishes is planning to file another lawsuit.
I'm sure this is rocking some socks in Rome to see this amount of defiance, this amount of outcry for help.
Now, those parishes involved in the first lawsuit filed against the diocese are scheduled to be back in court on August 12th, and I've learned that canon law attorney Philip Gray will be here for that appearance. In Bowmansville, Eileen Buckley, 7 News.